guys. Damn, Repo Man got me. Done got me, man. Oh, I'm just kidding, you guys. I just sold the wheels last night. Guy came from about an hour away and got him last night. Got a new setup already, just waiting to clean them up. Then I'm gonna show it to y'all. So here's the new setup. 22 by 14 field forged on 35 by 1250 Fury tires. They got a little curb rash here and there, but nothing that can't get fixed. Good tread on the tires. Getting ready for this meet Friday. I'm about to clean them up, polish them. Well, give them a hand polish right quick. It's my first set of forged wheels, so let's see how this comes out. Well, this is how she sits right here. Gave him a little quick polish somewhat. And it's Chico out here doing brake job. Louis out here hiding from the camera. Yeah, ain't too bad. What's going on, Louis? Up, you know, as always.
Yeah, watch my battery die.
Yeah, probably. Alternator's gonna go out again, knock on wood. Get that boy loose.
Hell yeah.
Damn Bojangles. You already know. Oh yeah. Getting Louis right. That boy Chico munching, look at him. Oh yeah. Woo. Woo. Famous Popeye. You know. Dang. My man Chico, he's getting dragged to work. Told him not to go, I'd pay him today.
You can tell he don't want to work. Look at him. Smoking.
Look, Dylan, what we doing now? What we gonna do to
y'all can see?
We gonna do
my
the
boy
Chico's
Chico
truck
over here, you know, trying to get a truck game and everything. You can't be in a truck game fish bowling, my G. So guess what we got? 5%. AutoZone sponsor, dog. It's like, but yo, AutoZone, you're trying to sponsor? Yo, hit up. Yo.
Got them looking at the damn toast for the extra.
Oh yeah. You're gonna be dark out here.
Damn, hell yeah. Y'all already know. We'll update y'all when we fuck up.
You know how everybody was making A and B on the roll? I had the damn F on the roll, man.
Dang.
Goddamn negative 17 in my progress report for math class. I was like, what?
Oh,
Oh,
man.
you know what it is?
Oh, we can't show that on the vlog. Hold on. Where am I at? Where is it at? Damn.
¿Qué diría el JOP? We drinking Capri Sun.
Capri Sun. How to tint your vehicle 101.
You already know about those prices.
Hit me off for all your tint needs. I got you.
Different angle. More booty cheeks now. Do some funny shit. Fall off the truck or something.
Chill, dog.
Oh, but
So, it's gonna be harder.
¿Te lo jalo? Here. I'll spray.
Try to pegarlo. Así that way it's easier to move.
Start from the middle out. Yeah, there you go. Sí sabe. No, don't stop talking now.
Chupas huevo, cargo huevo.
Ah, güey.
No sean fotos.
Chupas, chalupas, te ahogas.
Chupas mi chorizo.
Le hacemos de todo.
En servicios de todo lo que quieras.
¿Qué?
¿Quieres el paquete completo? I need rocket.
Te lo relleno el burrito.
Damn, God. Oh. What'd you say, Dill? Damn, that Dill is savage. Slanging what? Tell him. How many inches?
I don't know. I ain't got enough fingers to count.
Damn. That boy Diddy wild. God.
Ya andamos, vlog número 3.
Ya saben, chavos. Saludo al de la troquita blanca. Ya
Ese güey
saben.
me inspiró a hacer YouTube videos. DXC, baby.
You already know.
Ese güey está bien pedo como mi tío.
What? Shit. Have you seen the 18 pack?
¡Ahora! La cubeta, güey. No la plata. Oh, venta. Hey, don't get your hernia now.
No, está
Tip Master.
You already know.
Tip Master of the year. You already know. Look at him. Ooh, boy. Let me get away before we get copyrighted.
We ain't even making no money, dog. It don't matter.
Ya saben, aquí nomás. Valiendo verga. Este vato ya anda pedo.
Ya ando bailando cumbia acá, la verdad.
Look at him. Pasito tuntum. What's up? Mr. Tip Master, what's going on, bro? Bro,
Don't expose me, dog.
no mames.
Hey, when you balling on a budget, dog.
Let's go get these tacos.
Están limpiando los riñones.
Dylan.
Say it again.
Dylan.
Dylan, okay.
You guys selling the hand sanitizer? You know Walmart had a hand sanitizer.
Oh, we had that way before that virus came around.
Y'all still trying to sell it?
No, I'm trying to sell it.
God damn. Como no tengo viejo que me la jale. Yo mismo me la jalo.
So you just said in the lip.
Pero no le dieron fucking nut stains and damn couch. Cuando los inviten no se sienten en el sillón grande porque
Yeah, I ain't going to those.
no sé, pinche caca stain right there in the seat. Hasta miedo de volver a casarme. After what I went through, no funny. Esos mis chavos no se casen. Vale más ser puto que.
Que joto. My bad, my bad. My bad, the other way around. Wait, no, it ain't the other way around. Hold on. Ya valió verga. Corte. El famoso Dilly. He's gonna putting decals on. You know, he's good at this shit.
No, fuck that shit. No.
That's why we had to peel the old one off, because he fucked. I ain't gonna say no names. I mean, wait, my bad. Let's go ahead and pull.
¿Ya no estás pedo?
No, güey. No, nunca estuve pedo.
¿Cómo es el que me eché?
God damn it.
Ah, yeah, that shit got strong now, huh?
Yeah.
Con un árbol que huele a mierda por allá.
No, huele a semen.
Ahora, que te cogen por el meme. We got the OG expert on the decals over there, my boy Teo Carlos. Tú sabes.
Ya tú sabes.
Put on the new decal on. Y'all know the vibes. Tú sabes. That boy Teo Carlos with the fresh hands. Precision on this hoe. Si no, güey. She's manos de Dios.
Stop it. Get some help.
Eso no sale en la cámara. Corte. Pip, pip. Puro pinche tacuache in the wild, dog. Damn.
Oh, that bitch gonna do it.
Navajazo. Fucking just lying, bro.
Do it for the vlog.
Oh, fucking done.
This is the meaning behind Dope House, baby.
After video, or after movie.
I'm gonna need a drink.
Mira.
Oh, shit.
Not that bad. I still need a drink. Oh, fuck.
Yeah.
No, I can't do it now.
No! Bro, this already got that tint on it.
We put the chrome one on.
We already
Oh,
did.
we already did it.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, we put the
check it
full
out.
one. You ain't see it?
Oh, the full one?
Yeah.
You like this one? I do like this one. I love it.
Makes me want to have a big one.
Told you.
Nah, no. Like, no lie, if we had started whenever we thought everybody was coming, then like this would have been an awesome ass video. I ain't.
Oh, yeah.
Nah, I see them.
What, my
Oh
shoes?
shit, yours are fire, dog.
Yeah, you see.
Damn.
doodles.
Doodle.
The doodles, guys.
Mira los yonkes.
Era los Air Ones.
Oh, mama. You know they got money. Look at that.
Literally.
Big money status.
De la Guama.
I probably should get home.
This should probably be the.
I gotta go to school tomorrow. Yeah, with the cut. Motherfucker, I gotta go to school. Wait, never mind. Got teacher work day. Shout out to teachers for working.
Mr. Titman himself.
Because you gotta do work.
The
They
famous
gotta do the
Popeye. El que quiere chonchon. You already know.
You want chon chon?
Choncho.
Oh.
Damn. Still smells like nut out here.
It really does. That fucking.
Yeah, cut that tray down or something.
Burn them bitches.
Oh, this part.